Morning, Harry.
Start hissing. Good morning.
You're going to ride bikes?
I think so.
Where are we going?
Scribble.
Why are you standing in the road?
Because I'm a road cyclist and, you know, we only understand the road. How can you tell I'm a road cyclist?
Cyclists have a very specific look, even when they're off the bike, and you encompass that fully.
Never off the bike, always on the bike. Even if you're not on the bike. Do you know what I mean?
Know what I mean? So welcome to today's video. I'm out for a ride with Harry and Laura, doing how far? 100 miles. A long ride. That might take in Winterfold, Bar Hatch Lane. Basically pain, lots of pain. But I've had a day off, legs are feeling good. I'm wearing a pink jersey, fun times. We're kind of matching.
I love it. I've colour coordinated this right.
Listen, I've got a bit of pink.
Yeah, why didn't you wear pink? Oh, there it is, yeah.
Seeing how long you can talk to each other like without taking a breath. Like a VO2 max effort.
Mate, I think we killed Laura.
We did. R.I.P. One like, one prayer.
One like equals one prayer. Like down below, like, comment down below.
Hit the bell!
We miss you, Laura, please come back. She literally was riding so hard from the start.
Just like traffic light sprinter.
Like 1 hour in, Harry's gone to get snacks. Thanks, mate. Cool.
Handlebar bag accessory.
I don't know if it'll fit. Is this just what you give people with bar bags to like spite them?
Yeah.
Oh. So we've dropped one rider, you've bonked.
I haven't bonked, but
We've been riding like an hour and a half.
Sugar in it. I haven't bonked, I'm just hungover, so I'm preventing the bonk with tongue plastics and saurine.
Were you too hungover to eat breakfast?
The porridge didn't go down very well.
Yeah. Now someone wants it.
We're going to take it and we're going to sacrifice it on the top of White Down. Cold Harbour. I'm going to sacrifice it. So many tree roots.
Fair play. Fair play. That's some skills on little tyres.
28s, mate, gravel tyres.
Right, so we've been riding about 3.5, 4 hours. We've done a lot of climbs, done a lot of hard riding. Been sitting on Harry's wheel because he's really fast. Now he wants to do an effort up Bar Hatch Lane. Pretty much the hardest climb in Surrey. As a recce for a future KOM attempt. I don't know if I'm going to stay with him, to be honest. I might just talk to the camera, chill out. So you got the White Down KOM, yeah?
Maybe.
If you got the White Down KOM, you could probably get this one as well.
Maybe not today.
Maybe not today.
Suss it out today.
Not after that run up.
Nah.
She's been running at 500 watts for 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Not today. Suss it out. Try not to die. Come back another day.
Have fun.
So, it was meant to be a test run, but...
Did you get it? No.
The KOM was 235, I did 218. And I'm hanging out my arse. I think alcohol's really good for me.
Might be because you ate a whole packet of Haribo in one go.
Gin and tonic and ketamine in there. As I was going through it, I was like...
Easy, mate.
I saw how many...
Is that the main KOM? Because there must be multiple different segments on it.
There's obviously one as soon as we turn off.
Yeah.
But this is just one that I started because it was like around 2 minutes. That's the power I'm good at. I did 218. But I just saw I was like ahead by like 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. It just went up to like 11. I was like, I'm gonna just fucking try.
Smashed it.
26.
And this is like 5 minutes after he did that like 5 minutes after we did the really hard little smash towards the bottom of the climb. So Good recovery, mate.
Creatine.
Bodes well for the season ahead. Shame there isn't a season. Actually got a little present for you.
Oh God, what is it? We're gonna sacrifice it.
Where do you want to put it?
Oh, there's a place down there no one knows about. I'm gonna sacrifice him. Oh, big sad.
I kind of miss him.
Huh?
I kind of miss him.
Oh, Alan.
Alan. Why have you got 3?
For Alan. Sponsored by
Okay.
Pepsi.
Oh, please. Love the countryside. Gotta hand it to you, Harry. Come up with a good route today. This has been basically a squiggle on a map, doing all of the roads that I would usually ride, but back the other way. And it's been wicked, mate.
I need food now.
Yeah, he's bonked pretty hard.
Daisy,
So what happens when you have a pint of gin for breakfast?
1 bacon, 2 cans of Coke. Hangover cure, that's what I said at the start. I can feel myself actually bonking right now, I'm not even joking.
Made it to the cafe. We had to stop at a pub because Harry bonked so hard he was going to die. That was a hard ride. Unboxing.
So good.
You're a robber. So not only did you get a KOM, but you got a KOM with a crack in your frame.
There's a crack, and there's a wooden spoon holding my frame together. This is part of a wooden spoon. I've had to create a splint. It's not for those people who are going to say, oh, that's dangerous. Well, I mean, yeah, it's not safe, but it's not a massive crack. It's just a really small one that I think it has been there for a few weeks, but I just didn't notice it until someone pointed it out on Friday.
Do you notice it when you're riding?
If I'm going uphill sprinting, the rear end does feel very spongy. So like, I've checked to see if I've got a puncture, but it's actually just the frame flexing a bit more. So don't ride cracked frames, but
if you do, make sure you get KOM.
yeah.
Mate, that's solid. Wooden spoon.
Wooden spoons all the way, man. Duct tape fixes everything from shifters to relationships. So electrical tape, actually. Yeah.
Hashtag bike for Harry.
Oh God. Oh, my bike does this sometimes. It just derails the chain for no apparent reason.
So that was quite a big ride. Fair play to Harry for getting that KOM. Can you imagine how fast it would be if his bike wasn't falling apart, was really heavy, held together by electrical tape? He's pretty quick. I managed to hold on, even with my bar bag and my aubergine and my camera on my back. But yeah, big day, fun day. One thing I wanted to mention before I sign today's video off, pink jersey that I was wearing is the official Internationals supporters jersey. Unfortunately, they couldn't ride the Tour de France the day before the men this year because of coronavirus and all of that. Just wasn't safe to do it, but you can still buy the jersey to support them if you want. Link down below to that. As usual, a big thank you for watching today's video. Really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys when my legs have recovered.